Consumer mobility, sales in ERP SD module. Process of sales to channel partners, franchisee or DSAs or STD PCOs or BPCL or RD and etc. For the items, SIMs, C top-up cards. Steps for creation of sales cycle as follows. First one, sales order creation. Second one, advance collection. Third one, issue invoice. Let's begin the tutorial. Double click on SAP Logon. Click on PRD BSNL ERP Production Server. Enter your SAP username and password. Press enter button. Enter the transaction code as ZCM sales. Press enter button. This is CFA sales process. Click on triangular symbol. Click on create sales order. Select pricing as normal. Enter the SAP code of your telecom circle in sales organization. Enter the SAP code of your SSA in sales office. Enter the SAP code of your CSC in storage location. Enter the SAP code of channel partners, franchisee DSAs, STD PCOs, BPCL, RD and etc. in customer field. Press enter button. Enter the SAP code of order material in material field. If channel partners order the material like SIMs or C top-up cards, enter the material codes and quantity. Press enter button. In description, check the entered material is correct or not. Click on insert row icon. Click on sales order. Note down the generated sales order number. Click on print. Click on print preview. Here showing total net payable amount. Before proceeding advance payment, collect the net payable amount in the form of cash or DD or check or CR card or DR cards. Click on triangular symbol corresponding to CSC collection transactions. Click on ZFI 003 collections from customers, franchisee or DSAs. Select advance payment. in payment type. Enter the SAP code of your CSA in SAP storage location. Enter the collection type, franchisee or DSAs.
Preview.
Select the collection mode as cash or check or DD or CR card or DR card. If check or DD selected, enter the check or DD number and check or DD date. Enter the already generated sales order number. Press enter button. Before generating invoice, please check the amount and customer is correct or not. Click on execute radio button. Note down the print receipt number. Click on now. Click on print preview. Note down the document number. Click on close button. Click on back button. Click on issue invoice. Enter the sales order number in sales document. Press on enter serial number. Enter the order material serial numbers from and to. Click on issue invoice. If entered serial numbers are correct, then click on continue. Note down the invoice number. Click on print invoice. Enter the invoice number in enter billing document field. Click on execute radio button. Click on print preview. Take a print and receive copy from channel partners after giving the invoiced stock. Thank you.